When your manhood can't stand, what does it mean? It means when you can't have erection as a man. And if your manhood can't stand, what will be the causes? The causes is what I am going to share in today's video. And today's video is the part 2 of my previous video, when your manhood can't stand. The possible causes or things you will do to stop it, that is, to start having erection as a man. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end, so that you will know the causes of why you are not having erection, that is, when your manhood can't stand. But before I proceed, once again, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you are new on this very channel, consider to subscribe, hit the like button and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what are the causes of not having a good erection, or what might be the cause why your manhood can't stand? This is the part 2. The causes are many, but this is a refined video based on if your manhood can't stand, what will cause it, or what are the things that will cause a man not to have a good erection. The things are: number 1 is high cholesterol. When you are having too much cholesterol, maybe you take too much granules or too much ingredients, food that will give you too much cholesterol. Too much cholesterol in your body system can make your body not to be active and not to function as it's supposed to be. And with all this, it can also result lack of erection. That is why your manhood can't stand, due to too much cholesterol. Number 2 is high blood pressure. High blood pressure is when your body temperature and all your body system are in high tension. That is, it is not moderate. Maybe it is always oscillating. You are having too much pressure inside your body system. And with this, your body system will be highly disorganized. So that is high blood pressure. And having a high blood pressure can result to lack of erection. And high blood pressure is one of the causes why your manhood can't stand, or why you can't have erection. Number 3 is obesity. What is obesity? Obesity is a disease that results when you have too much fat in your body system. So if you have too much fat, it can cause lack of erection. So avoid obesity. If you know things, food that will make you to gain fat, avoid them. So obesity is the reason why your manhood can't stand. That is too much fat. And if by sudden or luckily for you, you experience erection, you will experience quick ejaculation or erectile dysfunction due to too much fat in your body system. That is, avoid taking food that will cause too much fat in your body system to be the best man you want to be. Number 4 is relationship problem. How can a relationship affect your performance as a man? It goes this way. Assuming you experience breakup or heartbroken, disappointment, it can affect your body system. And once your body system is not in order due to thinking of your disappointment or any of your relationship problem, it can lead to your body not to respond when the need arises. And it can also cause your manhood not to stand due to thinking of the past. That is, your disappointment, heartbroken, and all the rest. So that is it. Number 6 is diabetes. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a disease that comes up when you have too much sugar in your body system, and too much sugar can make a man not to perform well. Too much sugar can cause weak erection and also cause quick ejaculation. So when you have too much sugar in your body system, it is not good, especially for men. That is why I do advise men to run away from taking too much sugar. Anything you want to take that needs sugar, endeavor to take it natural and leave sugar alone. As a man, avoid sugar, and too much sugar or sugar accumulation in your body system is the reason why your manhood can't stand. Number 7 and the last is depression. Depression is the art of a man or a woman not to have a good feeling due to some life or bad life experienced. When you are undergoing depression, it might be what you have passed through, and if your physical appearance is disorganized, it can also interfere or affect your spiritual life. And if all these things happen, definitely it will also affect your sexual life and your performance as a man. So depression can make a man not to have a good erection, or depression is one of the reasons why your manhood can't stand. So these are the major reasons why your manhood can't stand. Now, how are you going to avoid them? All you have to do is to do things that will disengage you from maybe depression, anything, relationship problem. If you have relationship, make it work. Do not fight for relationship. Any relationship that will work. Anyone that will not work, put it aside and look for a better relationship that will make you to be happy. Avoid too much sugar to avoid diabetes. Avoid high blood pressure and too much cholesterol. So all these things that I mentioned that causes weak erection or why you are not having erection, make sure that you avoid all. If you do this, you will be the best man you want to be. So these are the reasons or the causes why your manhood can't stand. And that is what I want to share in today's video. I hope you get value from watching this video. If you do well to hit the like button. Subscribe to be a member of this very channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your friends and families. See you in the next video. I love you all and I want the best for each and every one of us as men. Not only men, also I want the best for everybody, women, children, but my videos is mainly for men, so I want the best for men. I wish you all good luck, success, long life and prosperities. Thank you for stopping by. Share this video to your friends and families. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.